Hi, Melissa. The camera conked out when I was cutting the blank. So, anyway, this is what I've got. I've got 6 of these, 12 of these, and 8 of these. These are the patterns I'm going to be using to do it. Now, if you can see, there's little holes. What I do is I sit this on top of the blank and I punch through. And when I punch through, it'll leave holes in there, and then from there I'll draw it, and I'll show you about all that. I'm sorry the battery died on the last film. We'll go now and go further. So let me punch these out. Let me draw you one so you know what it looks like when I do this. What I do is I've got this board that I've made. It's just cardboard, several deep. You can use newspapers, anything to cushion the pin. Let me somehow set this up. Hopefully you can see this work. I'm on a regular camera. I'm not on a cell phone or anything like that. So I haven't really progressed to cell phones yet. So I like to punch 2 at a time. It's just saves time that way. If you go any more, it tends to make the holes bigger on the bottom one. So what I'm going to do now is just punch it out. Take this, place it in the hole. I like to keep all the pins in until I'm finished. That way it doesn't distort and move. And I try to make sure that everything's as flat as possible. This is really weird doing it in front of a camera and talking. I'm not used to this. So, I did one. And that's what it looks like with the pinholes in it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw it with a scratch. I'll score it. And then when all that's done, it gets folded and glued from one side to the other. And, well, we'll get to that. So, there's one. Okay. Okay, there's your big points. any rate, I'm sure you're not going to want to watch me do each and every one, so I'm going to kill this until the next, till I get to the next point. But let me finish this one up so you can watch it. When I was little, I always dreamed about making a clear star. And when I was in ninth grade, I actually did a how to make a 12-pointed star with pictures and diagrams and all that as a school project in a class I had called Media Lab. This was in 1977 maybe, when I was in that class. So that's about how long ago I did that. That was a good class. I really liked it. They had a laminating machine, and I tried to make a clear one out of the plastic I made out of laminate, but at the time I didn't know any other kind of glue but Elmer's glue when I was just a kid. Excuse me. So I didn't know, I wasn't able to make the clear one. But the one I did do for the Media Lab class, where I was able to make a paper star to film and describe how I made it and everything else. So this is the first time I'm doing this since then. There we go. Okay. Well, I'm almost done. Alright, that went along pretty good. And I always make extra just in case. It'll always get used. That went great. Alright. Now, this is an anti-static mat we used at work. This one I've cut so I could use it to ride on, but this used to be for us at work so that we could handle the electronic parts that we made. What my company made was computer memory, so everything had to be anti-static. And as we got new ones, they were throwing this away, and I decided to salvage it because it's cushiony enough that when I score these, it scores them great. It works really good. You can also use like newspaper, anything to absorb the score line. And see, if I did it on the table right here, it would just be too hard and it wouldn't be able to score the plastic. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready for the next step to do this, and I will talk to you in a bit. Talk to you. Bye-bye.